Hi everyone. In this class, I'm going to explain what you mean by analysis and why we need to do analysis. So before going to what is analysis, I want to ask you a simple question to you people, whether have you used or have you did analysis in your daily life or in your real time? The answer is simple, yes or no. So, according to my knowledge, see, everybody, we did analysis. So, take an example. Assume we want to buy a mobile. So, what we'll do, we'll first fix the budget. Okay, so for example, say 20,000 budget for taking the mobile. So, what we will do generally, we will list the features of different mobiles. Say mobile 1, mobile 2, let us take Samsung, and then take Nokia or Oppo, so Vivo. So like that, some 3 or 4 mobiles we will take. Now we will list the features of these mobiles. So what is camera, there's a processor, so RAM size, so everything, the battery backup. So everything will list the features of each and every mobile. So then based on our requirement, so we are going to fix one which suits best for us. So okay, so whichever is suits, which mobile features suits more to our requirement, that mobile we are going to select. For example, assume I will select Samsung mobile for this 20,000. This is for the best for me. Now the process, what we call as an analysis. So the listing the features of each and everything, and which is suitable for our, or which is going to fulfill all our requirements and according to our budget. So then we are finally fixing that one. Okay, now coming to technically to our algorithms, the same way in my first video I told, so for any given problem, there are n number of solutions. That means same problem can be solved by many ways. Now we need to choose which solution is best for our case. Okay, so we cannot say any one particular algorithm or any one plan or any one algorithm is best in all the situations. No, a particular solution is best only in particular situation. So we cannot say that is best in all the situations. For example, take Samsung. So now if I say Samsung is best only according to my budget or my features, we cannot say this is best in for all. So no, that means everybody are not taking Samsung. Some people will go for Nokia, some people go for Oppo, some people go for Vivo, some people go for Redmi, some people go for iPhone, some people go for even China, some mobile hand, China sets. Okay, that's very, very cheaper. So that each one has their own requirement, and based on their requirement, they are going to choose. Okay, so this entire process we call as an analysis. Okay, so now if I say according to, so generally speaking, iPhone is the best phone when compared to the features and security purpose. Okay, so then that means no, everybody are not taking that iPhone. So what is the advantage? The advantage is data security. So it's most secure. So features wise, okay, that is best. But that same mobile best in these things, but the same iPhone is worst in the case of price. Okay, that's the worst part. Similarly, if you take China mobile, so they are the best in the price, but features wise, security wise, they are the worst. So that means no one fits in every aspects. Okay, so something is good only in particular scenario. So similarly, when we want to solve any problem, we need to find out so whether which solution is going to solve this problem in how and in which situation. So based on that, we need to select. So this process is called analysis. So next, what is the thing is why we need to do this analysis? Yes, we need to do analysis to know the efficiency of an algorithm. So yesterday I told for any one given problem we have many solutions, right? Solution 1, solution 2, solution 3, solution n. So out of n solution, which solution is best in which situation? Okay, so for that we need to know the efficiency of an algorithm. The process of knowing the efficiency of an algorithm is called analysis of an algorithm. So what is analysis? The process of finding the efficiency of an algorithm is called what? Analysis of an algorithm. Okay, so now why we need to do analysis? To know its efficiency and to know when it is best, when to use it, and in which situation we have to use it, and in which situation is not the best. That also we should know. For that purpose we are doing analysis. Now the next question is, so how to do the analysis of especially of an algorithm? So analysis of an algorithm is done in two ways. One is based on its time and another one is space. Okay, two things. So that means we are finding the algorithm's time efficiency are also called as time complexity. So time complexity also called as time efficiency. Similarly, so we are doing analysis of an algorithm in terms of space, that is space complexity, also called as space efficiency. So now what do you mean by time complexity? Time complexity means when we write any program or any algorithm, so how much time it takes to complete the operation, that is called time complexity. Okay, that means how much, I will repeat, so how much time our algorithm is taking to produce the desired output. For that is called as a time efficiency, or also called as time complexity. So what do you mean by space complexity? When we write any algorithm, so how much space it is consuming in our memory. Okay, the total amount of space consumed by our algorithm is called as a space complexity. Okay, so now coming back, time complexity means the total time taken by an algorithm to run completely and efficiently is called what? Time complexity. Okay, so now what do you mean by space complexity? The total amount of space consumed by our algorithm is called space complexity. Okay, so hope you people understood in simple words. Explain what do you mean by time complexity, what do you mean by time efficiency, also called as time complexity, and space complexity, and also called as space efficiency. So in the earlier days, that means almost 10-15 years back, we are doing this space efficiency, time efficiency both. But nowadays we are doing only what? Time complexity. In the earlier days, our memory is too precious. That means memory is not available in that large amount of space or in for that price. So now memory is available in a plenty and it is available for very cheaply. So that's why we are not worrying much about space. So we are much worried about the time. So that means we need to write our algorithm or the program so that our algorithm should run complete its task within a lesser time. How much lesser it takes, that much faster our programs or apps. Okay, so we are concentrating only on the time complexity. So in the next video, so I'm going to explain how to calculate the total time taken by the algorithm. So hope everybody understood. So please write the comments. Thank you.